get back to normal, and we have to keep going with our next step in this life, and we have to lead our success. So you please motivate yourself and go on with your studies. Do well, concentrate in your studies so that you can lead a better life in the future. More than this thing, I know this, you are in a high pressure about studies and the future decision. So please keep your mind relaxed. Don't get pressurized with these situations, because I know you are getting a very good time to spend with your family. So please share your problems with your family. Believe on your parents so that you can get relaxed easily. In somewhere, some people may get depression also, because I am seeing so many people, so many cases in hospital that they are going for depression because of this lockdown. But I request you people, you can get relaxed with your mind by yoga exercise, and other than this you can do your favorite hobbies. And please don't hesitate to share your things. Whatever you feel, please share with your parents, teachers, or friends, anywhere, somewhere, at least through phone like these apps. And please do something what you want to do, okay, so that you will not get pressurized, where some people are going for very depression. Because some few kids I know, less than 7 years, 6 years kids, if they are getting pressurized, they used to shout, they used to be adamant, they will shout at their parents, friends, everywhere. They will be crying and doing somewhere so that they will get relaxed some way. But you are a very mature people, you are in the adolescent age, so you will understand the situation, even though you will have the pressure where you cannot express yourself. So don't hesitate anywhere to express yourself. Being younger kids, what they can scream and cry and show out their depression, and they can get relaxed easily, but you cannot do that. So everyone will ask, you are a grown up, why don't you understand the situation? So don't think about that. And parents, please motivate your kids. If they are going for depression, you please note them. Few kids will not express anything, you may think they are in a good mood. Please monitor every time, because when they don't let out themselves, they will go for a very pressurized field where they have so many pressures at this age group, that is the studies, their futures. They have to plan for their goal and so on. So please, every parents, I request you all to stay with your kids and guide them in this right time. And I hope I'm taking my maximum time. So please stay home safely and take care well. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words were worth listening and inspirational also. Thank you so much. My student community would like to ask a few questions if you don't. Is it okay, ma'am? One or two questions?
Yeah, no problem, ma'am. You're always welcome.
Okay, thank you so much. We'll I'm limiting. They all were bubbling with energy. They all wanted to ask many. So I'm just limiting and told one or two questions will do. So
Okay.
whoever wanted, I think you can just come forward with your question.
Be expressive children, as madam said. You must chill out yourself only through
Please
expression.
chill out yourself. Whatever you want to ask, please ask.
Whatever doubts,
Let out with me
questions.
at least, because you don't know me personally, so you can talk anything to me. So please let out yourself.
Yeah. So children, please, without wasting much of time, because she's professionally very busy.
Yes, yes.
You also are like equally engaged. So I want your questions or your doubts to be raised quickly, unlike your classes. In classes, you take your own sweet time, but don't do that. Quickly, if you have any specific question related to Corona, related to your motivation, related to your studies, related to upkeeping your health, etc., etc., she is the right person. Free of advice, you will get here. Free of cost, you will get the advices. EKPS is giving this an opportunity, and doctor is putting her dedication towards the cause of betterment of the children of the school. So don't take much of time. Just quickly come out, unmute yourself, and put forth your questions. If you don't have any question, then we can call it a day. I think some children have already given their raise. So, madam, please allow them to
Yes, yes.
read out the name. I think you have some questions in your mind. You can very well if you have. Do you have any question? Janani is also seems to be raising the questions. Anybody for that matter? There is
Yes.
name.
Anybody, somebody wanted actually.
Yeah. We speak out. There are some new children also raising hand. I'm not able to read out their name. Abhishek. Unmute and speak. Unmute and speak, Abhishek. Marthangi, do you want to have any question? Yeah, for aspiring doctor, you're aspiring for being a doctor. Nazira. I think there is a shyness in them.
Jitya, you can ask some question to ma'am.
They have raised their,
Jitya.
video கூட off பண்ணிட்டாங்க. If I say one question will get 10 marks for their this, then they will come also.
Okay.
But if you say mark-oriented children, question. Okay. I think, madam, I have a question. How likely the small children, particularly the adolescent age children, will get the corona, or if we don't maintain the social distancing in this age group?
Okay, in this age group, the younger kids are more prone, less than 10 years are more prone for infections, because it's because of the low immune power they have, and it is in a moderate level for these adolescent age groups, because they can manage with the growing immunity. Few people can manage, even though when the exposure is very severe and the viral load is very more than the normal level, their immunity is little bit getting down, so that they are getting symptoms. Nowadays the viral load is very high because the exposure is more than the previous month. This month it is very high, and they are very prone to get infected easily, because the viral the DNA of the viral, RNA of the viral itself, it's getting modified. It seems the research are telling that the modification of the virus is very severe nowadays, and they are getting more prone, and this infection is going to the deadly condition. So we have to be very safe nowadays, because since we don't, when we will be safe only when we get the vaccines. Till then we have to be very safe, because there is no proper management or protocol. Though we have so many studies, we are going on through that. It maximum depends upon the immunity of the self immunity of that own person. When it is going for the very younger kids and for the elder people, they are more prone for the infection, and since their immunity level is very low. The middle age group people are better actually compared to the other two extreme groups. Middle age group people are better, so that they can manage with their immunity, and they are coming back with mild symptoms, and even with the minimal treatment protocols, they are coming out and getting discharged easily. But these extreme group age groups are very prone for infection, and they are not able to cope up with the viral load. So they have to be very, very careful.
Very good, madam. It is so, children, if you maintain a safe distance, follow the safety norms that are being told to you by different people at different times, I think you are in a safe zone only. But prevention is always better than cure, more so for COVID, because no medicine has yet been identified. Till the medicine is in the market, we have to be all the more cautious.